What's up, Nate? How you doing, man? Hope you're doing good today. Did you go to work? Were you off? Did you have a nice motorcycle ride? What have you been up to? Anyway, so here on Mama's Gotta Eat today, we're going to talk about something essential and important. Um, we're going to talk about water. So the channel's not called Mama's Gotta Drink, even though she does. But the reason we're talking about water on Mama's Gotta Eat is because we have to use water to cook all the time. Um, so we're going to talk about why we use filtered water to cook. I would like to thank our sponsors today for this episode, and our sponsor is Catherine. It is because of our sponsor that the home we're in has been provided with a Berkey filter. What's a Berkey? This is a Berkey. How much does it cost? I don't know, but it costs a lot. More than most people would spend on water filtration, but not than most people would spend on alcohol in a few months or other things that are less good, like Wendy's. Um, but anyway, Catherine bought this Berkey, and it filters water like crazy. And why do we want to filter the water? Because the tap water, depending on where you live, has a varying amount of different chemicals and other things in it. And you can look up stuff all day long online. And some will say that, fluoride is good for your teeth. But why do I need to put it in my drinking water? Some people say it's poisonous. Chlorine, minerals taken out. At the end of the day, I don't know. I'm not a waterologist. All I know is that I want good, clean drinking water in my coffee, in my food, and in just my plain water. And so that's why we use the Berkey. So yeah, when you go to cook, you boil the water off, of course, and sometimes the bad chemicals will be boiled with it, and sometimes, who knows, maybe the water vapor just burns off and the bad things in the water are actually what sticks to your rice or your oatmeal or whatever. So due to these varying factors and lots of things that I don't understand, I have been encouraged and enlightened by Catherine to use filtered water for everything that you can. So as you move forward in cooking for mom, I encourage you to use the filtered water for everything except for doing the dishes. And that maybe even includes ice. I guess the fridge already does the ice, but yeah, that's it. Have a good day. I miss you. I'll see you soon.